not afraid to die. I was raised a good Catholic, altar boy, First Communion, faithfully wore my silver crucifix that the Abbe gave me for confirmation. I was a true believer, and I went to college. Maybe it's just now that I'm staring into the yawning void. I'm hedging my bet, but it's coming back to me like an old friend with a warm hug.
I want you to know that I don't.
You should go. This place still has a crisis going on. Goodbye, Claire.
Goodbye.
96.1. That's okay.
Feels way colder than 96. Feels like 56, 46, 36.
Casey, stay with me just a little longer. I can't give you any more epi. Casey? Yeah.
I had more thing. I saved it in case I needed to do this.